Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mint glob recipe. To begin, understanding the process is essential for upgrading your gear effectively. Mint globs are a vital resource for crafting powerful items and enhancing your weapons with fresh damage. We will cover how to unlock the recipe, gather the ingredients, and finally craft these useful globs. This method aims to simplify your journey in the backyard. To unlock the mint glob recipe, your first step is to acquire the Black Anthill Borg L chip. This important chip is found after defeating the assistant manager within the Black Anthill lab. Once you have secured the chip, return it to Borg L. He will then make the mint glob recipe available for purchase in his store, allowing you to learn how to craft this essential item. With the recipe learned, it is time to gather your ingredients. You will need 2 mint shards, obtained by breaking large fresh mint candies found throughout the yard. Ensure you have at least a Tier 2 hammer, such as the insect hammer, for efficient harvesting. You also need 1 sturdy whetstone, which is crafted from sturdy quartzite shards. Finally, an oven is essential for combining these materials. Once you have all the necessary components, head to an oven to craft your mint globs. Each glob requires 2 mint shards and 1 sturdy whetstone. After crafting, take your new mint globs to a smithing station. Here, you can use them to upgrade your weapons, enhancing them with potent fresh damage. This upgrade path significantly boosts your weapon's effectiveness against certain enemies, making your adventures much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.